Hey there, social media rock stars. Are you looking to up your Pinterest game? Well, you're in the right place because today I'm going to show you how to schedule your Pinterest pins using ContentStudio. Let's dive in and make your Pinterest strategy a breeze. First things first, let's head over to ContentStudio. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. You can sign up for free and start exploring all the awesome features. Create a social post from the dashboard, click on Compose and select Social Post. This is where the magic begins. Choose your Pinterest account. In the left panel, you'll see a list of your connected social accounts. Scroll down until you find Pinterest and select the board you want to post to. Now, let's create your pin. In the main Composer area, you'll see a field for title for Pinterest. This is where you'll add your eye-catching pin title. Below that, you can add your pin description, making sure to include relevant keywords and hashtags. Time to make your pin visually appealing. Click on the cloud icon to add media. You can upload an image, video, or even a PDF. Here's a pro tip for you. Pinterest loves fresh, high-quality visuals, so make sure your image game is strong. Don't forget to add your source URL. This is where pinners will land when they click on your pin, so make sure it's relevant and valuable. Want to add some personality to your pins? ContentStudio's got you covered. Click on the smiley face icon in the Composer toolbar. You'll see a variety of emojis to choose from, including frequently used ones in different categories. Pick the perfect emoji to make your pin stand out. Click the hashtag icon in the Composer toolbar to create new hashtags. Choose from your saved ones or generate AI hashtags using the AI toolkit. Hashtags can enhance your pin's discoverability, so make it count. Here is another pro tip. You can set ContentStudio to choose a set number of hashtags for each post randomly. Just select how many you want and where you want them placed. Make your pin descriptions pop with some simple formatting. Use the B icon for bold text and the I icon for italics. This can help emphasize important parts of your description. Now, let's talk about when to post your pin. ContentStudio offers several options. Post now if you want your pin to go live immediately. Schedule, choose a specific date and time. Add to queue, add it to your preset posting schedule. Add to content category, great for organizing different types of content. Draft, save it for later if you're not quite ready to post. When you click on schedule, you'll notice two main options at the top: same time for all account and custom time for each account. Let's break it down. Same time for all accounts. This is your go-to option if you want to post the same pin to multiple boards at the same time. Select your date and time, and ContentStudio will schedule the pin for all selected boards simultaneously. Custom time for each account. This is where things get interesting. You can schedule the same pin to post at different times on different boards. This is perfect for maximizing your reach without flooding your followers' feeds simultaneously. Once you've set all your desired times, click Continue to move forward with your scheduling. Bonus tip for you: if you're working with a team or clients, you'll notice the Send for Approval button. This allows you to get the green light before scheduling, ensuring everyone's on the same page. And there you have it, folks. You're now a Pinterest scheduling pro with ContentStudio. By using these advanced features, you can create a sophisticated posting strategy that keeps your content fresh and accumulating across multiple boards and platforms. Until next time, happy pinning!